Civil authorities has issued a contagious biohazard warning for the affected states Hasher, Eckville, Joe Henderson, Aquarius Bloodville, Crimson. These areas are known to have the fungi. It is recommended that you stay away from the areas and prohibited to go to the areas. If you are in these areas, evacuate immediately for your safety, and thank you for cooperating with the government. Thank you for your time. Now your regularly scheduled programs will now be back on air. Civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. It has been announced that the newfound fungi is considered dangerous. The fungi danger level is erythros level. We are trying to contain the fungi, but it has been announced the fungi is airborne. I repeat, airborne. If you are outside your house or structure, get inside immediately. The fungi seems to be going south at Bloodville. If you are in this county, evacuate the county immediately. The government is trying to contain the newfound fungi. Thanks you for your cooperation, and your time. Now your regularly scheduled programs will now be back on air. Civil authorities has issued an emergency action point. It has been 14 days since the fungi has been discovered, and now it has been mind controlling people and turning them into what is known as angels. The government is trying its best to stop this fungi, and it has been terrorizing the county. If you see an angel or the fungi, call 142-692-1937. This is the government number, and this is only used once. If you ever prank call us, you will be terminated or executed. This is a serious crisis, and the world is depending on us, and you can save the world if you cooperate accordingly. The world could be saved, and the world is in your hands. Now the programs are now shut off for this message and will be silent.